In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a contact form in WordPress. A contact form is essential for any website, as it provides your visitors with an easy way to reach out to you without revealing your personal email address. This can help prevent spam and gives your visitors a streamlined way to send inquiries or feedback. Let's dive into the process, shall we? To kick things off, we need to install a plugin that will make the magic happen. Start by navigating to your WordPress dashboard and heading over to the Plugins section. Once there, click on Add New. In the search bar, type in WP Forms Lite. It's an excellent plugin choice because it's user-friendly and perfect for beginners. When you find it, click Install, and once it's done installing, hit Activate. This will add WP Forms to your WordPress menu, so you're ready for the next steps. Now, let's create a new form. Look for the WP Forms option in your dashboard and click on Add New. You're now going to see several templates that WP Forms offers. For today, let's choose the Simple Contact Form template. It's a great starting point because it comes pre-configured with the basic fields needed for a contact form like name, email, and message. Once your template opens up, you'll be greeted with a drag-and-drop form builder. It's time to customize your form. This drag-and-drop interface is straightforward to use, allowing you to add, remove, or rearrange fields as you see fit. Perhaps you want to add a phone number field, or maybe a drop-down menu for users to select the reason they're contacting you. Just drag those fields into your form. Be sure to configure each field's settings to fit your needs. Click on a field to tweak its label, whether it's required or any other specific settings it may have. After building your form, configuring confirmations is an important step you don't want to skip. Head over to the Settings tab and then click on Confirmations. Here, you can customize the message that appears once someone submits the form. A friendly thank you message can add a nice personal touch. Alternatively, maybe you want to redirect them to another page, such as a thank you page with more information. This is where you can set that up. Just make sure whatever option you choose aligns with the user experience you want to provide. With these steps complete, your contact form is ready to go live. It's seamlessly integrated into WordPress, meaning you can easily place it on any page or post using the WP Forms block in the WordPress editor. Once embedded, visitors can start engaging with you in a way that protects both your privacy and theirs. That's it for setting up a contact form in WordPress. Not only have you learned how to add and configure the contact form, but you've also taken a significant step toward enhancing communication on your website. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more WordPress tips and tutorials. Happy form building!